Question number 2. Say true or false. Minus 30 divided by minus 6. Already you know how to divide. Please divide and see. 6 dash are 30 children. 6 5s are. But what is the answer given here? Minus 6. So it is false. 64 divided by 64. Just now only I said, when we divide a number by same number, we will get 1. But here the answer is 0. So it is false. Question number 3. Find the values of the following. Okay, divide and check the answers. Minus 75 divided by 5. So the sign is negative by positive is positive. Sorry, negative by positive is negative. 75 divided by 5, 15. 100 divided by 20. 20 dash are 100, 25s are 100. So the answer is 5. Negative by negative, positive 5. 45 divided by 9. 9 dash are 45, 9 5s are. So positive divided by negative, negative. 82 by 82, 1. Negative by positive, negative. Question number 4. The product of two integers is minus 135. If one number is 15, find the other integer. One more time I will repeat, listen carefully. The product of two integers is minus 135. If one number is minus 15, find the other integer. So what is given in the question? Product of two integer. We don't know two integers. Okay, we don't know two integers. When we multiply these two integers, we get minus 135. This is only given in the first line. Product of two integer is minus 135. One number they given. What is that? Minus 15. We have to find out the other number. Okay, so let it be x. So now we are going to use the transpose method. The position of minus 15 is here, multiply. So when we transpose, it becomes division, not plus 15. Okay, the position is multiplication. So when we transpose, it becomes division. So minus minus we can cancel it. 135 divided by 15, divide and see 9. Let us see the solution. See the solution. Given the product of two integers minus 135, one of the minus 15, 15 into another number minus 135, other number. So when we divide, we get 9. Question number 5. In 8 hours duration with uniform decrease in temperature, okay, same level decreasing for every hour. So the temperature dropped 24 degrees Celsius. How many degrees did the temperature drop each hour? Okay, this is the statement problem. So what fundamental operation we should use here? Let us see. So given two numbers, 8 hours, 24 degrees. So 8-hour duration. In 8 hours, the temperature dropped 24 degrees Celsius. We have to find out how much decrease in each hour. Okay. What is the keyword is here given? Each. Okay. What is the keyword? Each. If we want to find out for each hour, what we have to do? Multiply or divide? Divide. Okay. In 24 degrees Celsius, we are going to divide it by 8. Then we will get each hour how many degrees did the temperature drop. So solution part, in 8 hours the drop in temperature 24. So in 1 hour the drop in temperature 24 by 8, 3 degree. So the temperature dropped 3 degrees Celsius every hour. Sixth question we will see later. Seventh one. A person lost 4,800 calories in 30 days. If the calorie loss is uniform, because same level, it reduces same level every day, calculate the loss of calorie per day. So what is the keyword is given here? Per day. So each per day, 1 day means we have to use division method. Okay, given loss of calorie in 30 days 4,800. Okay, 30 days we reduce 4,800 calories. what we have to find out, loss of calorie for per day. So we are going to divide. What is the answer we get? 160 calories per day. See the 8th question. 168 into 32. The answer is 5376. Okay. Then find minus 5376 divided by minus 32 is what? See this question. 168 into 32, 5376. When we transpose this into 32 to RHS side, it becomes divided by 32. That is given here. 5376 divided 32. Then what is there in the LHS side? 168. So that is the answer. So from this multiplication, we get this by using transpose method. 5376 divided by 32, we get 168. The question negative by negative. So negative by negative, also we get the same answer because negative by negative positive.